Welcome back to the Ministry of Hacking. Now let's talk cybersecurity. Today we're diving deep into the world of digital defense. The internet, it's vast, it's powerful, and honestly, it can be a little bit wild. It's like the Wild West out there with data flowing across the globe at lightning speed. Before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer. Everything discussed in this video is for educational purposes only. We're here to learn, not to cause harm. Ethical hacking is about understanding vulnerabilities so we can better protect ourselves and others. It's about staying one step ahead of the bad guys. With that said, if you're ready to explore the tools used by the pros, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. We'll be covering everything from basic security measures to advanced hacking techniques. Oh, and one more thing, you might want to turn your lights down low and crank up the volume. We're going dark mode for this one. Get ready for an immersive experience as we navigate the shadows of the digital world. We'll be looking at real-world scenarios, breaking down complex concepts, and showing you how to think like a hacker. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's get hacking. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious newbie, there's something here for everyone. Let's make the internet a safer place, one hack at a time. First up, we've got Nmap, the OG of network scanning. This tool has been around for decades and has stood the test of time, becoming a staple in the toolkit of network administrators and cybersecurity professionals alike. Imagine you're entering a dark room. You want to know what's in there, right? You wouldn't just stumble around blindly hoping to avoid obstacles. You'd want to flip on the lights and see everything clearly. Nmap is like flipping on the lights. It illuminates the hidden corners of your network, revealing all the devices connected to it. It allows you to see all the devices connected to a network, what ports they have open, and even their operating systems. This level of visibility is crucial for maintaining a secure and efficient network. For security researchers and ethical hackers, this is gold. It provides a comprehensive overview of the network, enabling them to identify potential vulnerabilities and take proactive measures to secure the system. It's like having X-ray vision for your network, allowing you to spot potential weaknesses before someone with less noble intentions does. This proactive approach can save you from costly breaches and downtime. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Nmap is a must-have in your cybersecurity toolkit. Its user-friendly interface and powerful features make it accessible to everyone, regardless of their level of expertise. Trust me, this tool is so fundamental, you'll be using it in almost every engagement. From mapping out your network to identifying vulnerabilities, Nmap is the Swiss Army knife of network scanning tools. So if you haven't already, it's time to get acquainted with Nmap and make it your network's best friend. Next, we're diving into the world of network traffic analysis with Wireshark. This powerful tool is a must-have for anyone serious about understanding the intricacies of their network. If Nmap is like flipping on the lights, giving you a broad overview of your network's layout and devices, Wireshark is like putting on a pair of night vision goggles. It allows you to see the unseen, revealing the hidden details of your network traffic. It captures and analyzes every single packet of data flowing through your network. Each packet is like a piece of a puzzle, and Wireshark helps you put that puzzle together. Think of it as eavesdropping on the conversations happening between your devices and the internet. You can see who is talking to whom, what they are saying, and how often they are communicating. This is crucial for understanding how attacks happen, identifying malicious activity, and spotting vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Wireshark is also invaluable for troubleshooting network issues. Whether it's a slow connection, drop packets, or mysterious network behavior, Wireshark can help you pinpoint the problem. It's like having a microscope for your network, allowing you to see the smallest details that could indicate a problem. You can zoom in on specific packets and analyze their contents in great detail. So if you're serious about cybersecurity, Wireshark is your go-to tool for deep dive investigations. It provides the insights you need to protect your network and ensure its smooth operation. With Wireshark, you're not just monitoring your network, you're understanding it on a fundamental level. Now let's talk Metasploit, the heavy hitter in the world of penetration testing. This tool is like a Swiss Army knife for ethical hackers. It provides a framework for exploiting known vulnerabilities in systems and applications. Imagine having a key that unlocks hundreds of doors. That's Metasploit. It allows you to simulate real-world attacks, identify weaknesses, and develop mitigation strategies. But with great power comes great responsibility. So use it wisely and ethically. Remember, the goal here is to learn how to break things so we can build them stronger. Moving on, we have John the Ripper, the password cracking legend. We all know how important strong passwords are, and John helps us understand why. It uses various techniques like dictionary attacks and brute force to test the strength of passwords. Think of it as a stress test for your passwords, exposing any weak links in your security chain. By understanding how passwords are cracked, we can learn to create stronger ones and implement better password policies. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Now let's talk about wireless networks with Aircrack-ng, the go-to tool for Wi-Fi security testing. It allows you to assess the security of your wireless networks by capturing packets, analyzing traffic, and even attempting to crack passwords. Think of it as a security audit specifically designed for your Wi-Fi. With the increasing reliance on wireless networks, Aircrack-ng becomes essential for identifying and mitigating potential vulnerabilities. Remember, a secure Wi-Fi network is crucial for protecting your data and privacy. Next up, we have Burp Suite, the ultimate toolkit for web application security testing. It's a comprehensive suite of tools designed to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in web applications. Think of it as a security scanner, debugger, and proxy all rolled into one. With Burp Suite, you can intercept, modify, and replay web traffic, analyze application behavior, and uncover hidden vulnerabilities. It's an essential tool for developers, security professionals, and anyone serious about web application security. Let's talk about Nikto, the web server vulnerability scanner. This tool is like a bloodhound, sniffing out known vulnerabilities in web servers and applications. It scans websites and web servers for outdated software, misconfigurations, and other security risks. Think of it as a routine checkup for your web presence, identifying potential issues before they become major problems. With the constantly evolving threat landscape, Nikto helps you stay one step ahead of the bad guys. Now let's talk about Hydra, the brute force attack tool. This tool is like a battering ram, systematically trying different username and password combinations to gain unauthorized access. While it can be used for malicious purposes, ethical hackers use Hydra to test the strength of authentication mechanisms and identify weak passwords. Think of it as a way to stress test your login systems and ensure they can withstand brute force attacks. Moving on, we have SQLmap, the SQL injection vulnerability scanner and exploitation tool. This tool is like a surgeon, precisely targeting and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities in web applications. It automates the process of detecting and exploiting SQL injection flaws, allowing testers to assess the severity of vulnerabilities and develop appropriate mitigation strategies. Think of it as a way to find and fix those cracks in your database walls before attackers can exploit them. Last but not least, we have OWASP Zap, the open-source web application security scanner. This tool is like a comprehensive security audit for your web applications, identifying a wide range of vulnerabilities. It's designed to be easy to use, even for beginners, making it an excellent choice for developers and security professionals alike. Think of it as a free and powerful security consultant, helping you build more secure web applications from the ground up. So there you have it, the top 10 ethical hacking tools for beginners in 2025. These tools provide a solid foundation for anyone looking to dive into the world of cybersecurity. Remember, knowledge is power, and by understanding how these tools work, you can better protect yourself and your data from potential threats. Big thanks to Z for sponsoring this video and giving us a glimpse into the world of ethical hacking. Make sure you check out their channel for more awesome cybersecurity content. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.